Hi my friends, Catherine here, and I have my third unboxing of the day, so it's been a really fun day. This one is Armoire, so stick around, we'll see what's inside. Okay, so it took me a little longer than usual to make my selections because it's like the pressure's on to get the holiday stuff. And even though with Armoire, I can swap them out if something doesn't work. It's so easy to swap out with Armoire, and I have the unlimited plan. However, people are renting a lot of the holiday items. So the selection's getting slimmer of what you can find in your own size. So there's where the pressure came in. I'll be able to swap them out, but if they don't have the sizes I need, then it doesn't do me any good to swap out. Whew, I feel the leather right away. So I got some leather pants. Oh, look at the sparkles. Can you tell this is a holiday bunch? All right, this first one I was thinking might work for Thanksgiving. Love the sleeves. Look at these puffed sleeves. I know you probably can't tell too much right now. So it's a turtleneck, and we've got some really cool kind of 80s vibe. Remember our little, look like we have football pads on our shoulders. So that's coming back. And try this sweater on. You'll be able to see the puff sleeves better, I think, when I try it on. Look at this gold shimmer. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, just look at that cuffs, the buttons on the cuffs. You'll see it when I try on. I'll come up really close. Okay, and then we just have sparkles galore. Oh, a dress, yes. Cute. Little black dress. It looks kind of small. I hope it fits. Then this is another really classy looking dress. Oh my goodness. So that's the back. Look at that little neckline. It's got this slit. Oh my. Can't wait to try that on. We're not going to be able to make heads or tails of it till we try it on. And then these are really cool. So these are, I got two pair of leather pants, or they're either vegan or faux, and I'm not sure which until I read you the details. But these are joggers. I thought this would be good for Thanksgiving along with that striped top with the puff sleeves. That's what I had in mind. How cute are those? And then they've got the elastic at the ankle, just like joggers, but it's kind of like an upscale jogger. Got pockets, which is always good. Can't wait to try those on. All the reviews said how comfortable they are, and I can see why. All right, and then we've got regular jeans, leather pants. Very cute. They're kind of similar to the ones I got in Rent the Runway, so we'll have to compare them, and I'll probably swap those out. I don't need that many pairs. Okay, this is going to be fun. How 80s is this outfit? Look at these puff sleeves on this sweater. Isn't it fun? I feel like I need to get a perm and like really make my hair big. I know some of my friends out there remember the 80s and the things we put our hair through. It's amazing we still have hair on our head. But anyway, this is so 80s. Even the pants. So these are the faux leather joggers with the elastic at the cuff and then elastic at the waist. Very comfortable. All the reviews said how comfortable these pants were, and I have to agree. So we've got pockets here. I think this might end up being, no pockets in the back though, but pockets in the front. I think this might end up being my Thanksgiving outfit. There's plenty of room if you want to eat extra with the joggers. You got the elastic waist. But yeah, I do like, and I like how form-fitting the sweater is. So it's an actual turtleneck, not a mock turtleneck. Very pretty. So this is outfit number 1 and already a winner. Let me read to you about it. So the joggers are faux leather high rise. Let me read the rest. Commando is the designer. And they would be regularly $168 with the discounts, only 20% off for these, and it'd be $134. Size medium. And they're a nice relaxed fit. Then this sweater's puff sleeve sweater, size small, would normally be $365. For 48% off, for members it'd be $190. The designer is ALC. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Okay, these next 2 items, they're beautiful, they're very luxurious feeling, but they're both a little bit too big, I feel. This has a lot of material. Maybe it's just supposed to fit like this. I mean, the color is gorgeous and shimmery. Look how pretty. And it's got those buttons, just beautiful detail. But I just feel like it's looser than I normally like my tops to be. And then the pants, you know, I've got some room here. I like leather. I mean, I feel like leather pants should be tighter. But they feel great. Well, it's faux leather, but they feel amazing. And we've got our front pockets, deep front pockets. Look at this. And then pretty deep back pockets too. So these, the pants are amazing themselves. And there's like a little dip right here, or seam at the knees. Kind of gives it a little extra style. They're called barrel pants, but you know, I mean, I like both pieces. I just don't like the fit. So I don't know if I need to go smaller. Let's read about them. I'll try not to, got a little, kind of droops down there. Okay, so the pants are called, it's Steve Madden pants. That's why they feel so great. It's called Hanel, maybe, faux leather barrel pants, size medium. And I don't think I could go to a small. I mean, these are medium, but small would probably be too small, I bet. Regularly $89, I could get them for $76. And then this beautiful gold top, I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's J-O-I-E, Joey. V-neck metallic blouse. This is already a small, so I don't know if I could get an extra small. Retails $298. I can get it for 45% off and $164. So I have to think about what I want to do. I'll either trade these in for a smaller size or, you know, just get something else altogether. But I really do like both items. So I got to think on this one. Okay, now next what I have are 2 dresses, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 from the last one, 5, 6. I got 2 dresses to try on, so I'll be right back. Okay, I have the first party dress on out of the Armoire selections, and this has a lot of potential, but there's some things I would need to fix. I put my strapless bra on, then I could put the bling, you know, straps on it. But this particular one is push-up, so I don't like how it kind of pushes some things up. I would probably need to get like a halter bra to really make this look right. So I do want to try it with that. And then otherwise, you know, I think it's a pretty dress. I'll tell you, I mean, like, it's kind of, you know, very pretty, but nothing to get too terribly excited about. But I got out one of my belts, my blingy belts, and I think then this definitely add some excitement to this dress. I think so anyway. Let me know what you think. So let me get both snapped there. So I think, to me, this adds a lot to it. Unless you like it better without, but I kind of like it with the belt. This is very, I mean, I don't know if you can see all the sequences going on here under the light. It's sequins from head to toe or head to hem. So definitely, you know, lots of bling. Pretty dress. I just wasn't as excited as I was when I put that pink one on from Rent the Runway. You'll have to check that one out if you haven't seen it yet. But I still like it. I mean, it's a very classic, you know, little black dress. So let's read about it. And I'm kind of, I mean, it doesn't hurt to keep it. It just uses up one of my slots, that's all. But I threw my hair up real quick. I mean, this is just like threw it up really quick because this dress will require an updo, I believe, you know, to really show it off and the best features of it. And like I said, I think with a halter bra, it would look a lot better. So if I end up keeping it and do that, I'll, you know, interject that into one of my other videos. All right, let's read about it. So this is, I got signed out on my iPad there. This is Rachel Roy. It's Harlan Sequin Halter Mini Dress, size medium. It would normally be $159, but with 15% off, I could get it for $135, which I do not think is bad for, you know, a dress this elegant, or well, I don't say elegant, but this dressy, you know, it definitely would be a very pretty cocktail dress. So, and the thing is, all of our parties that we're going to, so we're going to 3 main Christmas parties, they all are dance parties. So this would be easy to dance in, I do believe. All right, I have that gold, very classy gold dress to try on now. And I think it's going to be the same thing. I think it needs a halter, so I'll be right back with that. Now this dress is elegant. It really doesn't show up in this, in my surroundings, does it? It's this really soft and subtle gold. I do not feel like this color is for me. And I feel like this dress would be great on an athletic body, someone who's a little more straight up and down. I would probably be holding it like this the whole time I walk because the slit comes, so it starts here and drapes down, but it will open all the way when you walk. So definitely that's never a good look when you're like holding your dress when you're walking. So I know I'm definitely going to swap this out, but I did want you to see it. It's a very elegant dress, and I think for the right person it would be great. It's shimmery. It's just very, very classy. I doubt that I could dance in it, but if you were going to, you know, a sit-down dinner or something like that, I think it would be great for that because it is just, the material's very soft and smooth, beautiful. You know, like the color is beautiful for someone maybe with a darker complexion, but it's just definitely not me. Okay, so I still wanted, after I tried it on, I'm like, no, this isn't gonna work, but I wanted you to see it and read about it because it really could work perfectly for some people. In fact, you know, looking at the reviews and the community pictures, you know, it is great on some people. All right, so this is, let me tell you about it. It's Yami Kim Tia high neck midi dress, size medium. Retails for $248, and I could get it for $179. Again, you know, gorgeous dress, just probably not going to be for me. So this was everything from Armoire, and I'm probably going to hang on to, and when I say hang on, I don't mean buy, but like keep them for a little while. The black sequin dress, because I think I can play around and get that just right. And I am going to keep the jogger leathers and the black and white stripe with the puffy sleeve, the 80s sweater. The second outfit I tried on, the gold top and the barrel faux leather. swapping them out, swapping this out. So I'm going to keep 3, swap 3. Not bad. And the thing is, like I said, with the rentals, and now have I convinced you with these holiday parties that renting is a really good option? You can cancel anytime. So anyway, you can look up Rent the Runway and Armoire. Both of those are 2 of my favorite rental places. And with Rent the Runway, you can also rent handbags, which would be great for, going out. I have a tub of going out pocketbooks and I don't use them all anymore because some of them my phone doesn't fit in them. I've had them that long where you didn't always carry your cell phone. But anyway, they do rent handbags and they rent jewelry. So that's another option for the holidays. And they even have a high-end, like I get the regular rental with Rent the Runway. They have like a special events, rental items that you could look at. And there's our doorbell. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you soon.